Hello everyone, today I'll show you how did I pass CHRA, a Certified Human Resource Associate. Tadan! Super cute and super elegant ng balot nila. And ayan, binasa ko lang naman yan. Tadan! Super proud of me. Papakita ko sa inyo. Dito ko yung tinago is again. Yan, nasira na tuloy. Super kapal nito ng mga reviewer and sobrang sipag ko magsulat during the time. Imagine back to back yan ha. Tapos ano pa yung kulay niya? Green, black, and violet. Super inorganize ko yan to summarize kapag hindi mo kayang ulitin basahin yung sobrang kapal-kapal na print out na print notes rather. And ayan, papakita ko sa inyo mga reference ko, Labor Code of the Philippines of 2022 and yung handbook kanina na 2023 I guess, and this one also from interview about leadership strategy, yung mga ganyan. And naging mas makapal lang siya kasi hindi siya back to back, pero guys, I enjoy it. Ayun, nakita niyo na yung mga reviewer ko. So before I get that, so I was also pregnant during that time, and then super inaantok ako at kalaban ko yung antok during that time. And kahit inaantok ako, tinatsaga ako magsulat. Kasi mas na-retain sa utak ko yung pagsusulat. Yung tips lang guys is you have to read all of these notes. And syempre, enjoy mo yung pagbabasa. Hindi ka naman kailangan mag-rush. So, ang ginawa ko ahead, kasi bibigyan ka lang ng almost 1 month at 1 week, I guess, kapag na-register ka na, 1 week ka na lang may remaining time. So, before the 1 week remaining time, after the registration, nagbasa-basa na ako. So, I used to print it all the reviewers, specifically the labor codes. Kasi, ayan, it has a lot of, marami siyang articles. At kapag na-master mo yung labor code, sure na makakapasa ka sa set B. And sa handbook, yan, this one, and also, ganyan. I think, kaya siya makapal kasi hindi siya back to back, pero sa isang page, dalawa naman sila. Look, dito naman na-enjoy ko naman yung pagbabasa kahit super inaantok ako. And yung pagsusulat, these are the notes na ginagamit ko. Sabi ko kasi hindi ko na mababasa yun kapag nag-review ulit ako. So gusto ko dire-diretso siya. Ayan. And yung tips natin is magbasa ka ng magbasa, and of course practice drills. I would like also to share with you, hindi lang ito yung sinulat ko guys. I'll share something pa. Before I forget, nagsulat pala ako dito sa notebook ng reviewer and also the practice drills that I cut in YouTube. Ayan, hindi siya sa... Anyway, may mga link naman na may practice drills about CHRA. However, during that time kasi, ayun, sa YouTube na lang ako kumuha ng practice drills. And hello, during my exam, may 5 atang lumabas sa practice drills na same question sa tinik ko. So, nakita niyo naman kung gano'ng kadami yung reviewer na binasa ko, and almost 1 month ata ako nag-review ng before I register. So, nag-rush ako, parang nagtutok lang ako mag-reviews. Parang 5 days lang talaga yun. Kasi syempre nagsulat pa ako magbasa. Sinipag ako talaga magbasa. I don't know, super sipag ko rin kaya inaantog ako. Basta yung brain ko super boost no, during that time. Like, gusto ko magbasa na magbasa. And, I think, nakatulong naman yung pagsusulat kong ganito kadami at yung sa notebook. And yung mga, dapat, kung hindi ka naman, kung tinatamad ka naman magsulat, hindi ka naman magbasa. You can also highlights or write. And of course, ang ginawa ko pa noon is the 3 days or 2 days before the exam, umattend pa ako sa isang session, review session, na 2 hours. Tapos, ang diniscuss lang doon is labor code. So, yung mga, hindi lahat diniscuss ng part, but to sum up, or in general, yung mga diniscuss na about sa labor code. So, the reason why I got my certified human resource. Tada! Of course, baka nakikita niyo average ko. Secret na natin, basta ano siya, yung rank ko is 81.50%. Okay na yun. Anyway, this is it. I'm so proud of it because even though hindi pa ako nakapag-take ng licensure for RPM, ito yung stepping stone ko para ma-achieve ko yung certification ng human resource. Kasi on the job training ko is human resource. So, may background na ako doon. And also, I am certified. Bago ko nakamit ito, hindi lang ako nagsunod ng kilay. Nagbasa po talaga ako. And ang mahalaga, practice drills. Kasi kahit pa ulit-ulit yung tanong, kailangan mo tandaan yun. And of course, ayun, tiwala lang sa sarili. Makukuha mo rin yun. Sabi na, ay, madali lang yan. Pero, pag nandun ka na, grabe, nakakaba. Kasi, online siya, So, kapag nawalan ka ng internet connection, wala ka na, Alam mo yung 35 minutes na hindi pa rin ako naka-in sa Zoom. Kasi kailangan dalawang device yung gagamitin mo. The laptop and your phone. Yung mobile phone is nakatapat sa laptop, and laptop dun ka ma-scroll. So, pag nag-lag pa yun during that time, follow pa ako kasi wala talaga, nagluloko yung internet. Sabi ko, Lord, hindi pwedeng masayang yung pinang-register ko dito, tsaka yung effort, hindi pwedeng masayang. So, panalangin ka talaga. And that's all yung aking ginawa during my pregnancy and sa pag-take ng certification of human resource. That's all. Bye-bye.